Risk of Rain 2. Starring Deadpixel. Pogger music.
It's not starring me. It's starring you. Guest star.
Oh, guest star. Who? Where are we?
We're in a menu. We're gonna start playing in like 10 seconds.
All
When
right.
you get finished with your intro.
I'm ready. This is the. I mean,
Right?
we're just
Alright,
going.
this is the
man.
intro.
This is the
We're just
intro.
going.
We're just going. I got an ice pack on, and I've got fan on. Got
Why do I have
water.
an ice back up?
It's very hot. Very hot. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
What is up? Requires warrior. Oh, I gotta upgrade stuff. Nice.
I guess.
Okay,
Looks
reach
like
the.
it.
Okay, so you unlock challenges. Complete a stage 30 times. Complete 30 stages.
Wow.
That's a lot of content.
Yeah. All right. Well. We don't
Well,
have
wait.
anything that
We
can
gotta read an
change, right?
overview. The commando is a jack of all trades. All right, double tap is powerful at short and long range firing. Effects uses tactical dive to dodge. Suppressive fire can be used to repeatedly stun single targets. Phase 1 can pass their walls. Oh, nice. Skills. Shoot twice for 2 times 90% damage? Is that what that means? Like, you do double damage? Or you do 180% damage?
180% damage? I don't know.
I guess. Firing a
I
piercing
guess-
shot. Okay, so we got a line attack.
I think instead of, I don't know.
We got a roll.
I have no.
Okay, combat dodge. We're raw. Repeatedly fire stunning enemies for 100% damage per bolt. That's okay. Then loadout.
That's nice.
Okay, then we can select our skills if we want. If we had different ones.
Yeah, if we had additional stuff, but we don't have
Okay.
any of that stuff yet.
Artifacts. Difficulty. What are we at? Oh wait, I probably don't want monsoon, right?
Yeah, what are we on?
We want drizzle. Rainstorm.
No, we want rainstorm, dude. I don't want monsoon, but we want rainstorm.
What happens if you click
Yeah.
it? Can you click it? Oh.
Yeah.
What? So if you click it and I. Oh, so we.
Yeah, then we're like voting for what difficulty we want, I guess.
You have not unlocked any artifacts. What is it? Artifacts are game modifiers that drastically change. Oh, so these are skulls. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
guess.
We
I
don't.
guess we go.
We go.
I mean, we can't change anything, so
Nope.
we go.
We have nothing.
This music is hype.
It is. Titanic planes.
110 HP.
Wait, I have to actually escape my
I
pod.
have to press F to escape my escape pod, dude. All right.
Oh, it's cinematic.
Okay, that died pretty quick.
All right, hold
What
on.
is
I gotta fix my sense. Let me. I need it up a little bit.
Can I open this? It says money on it. Oh shit.
It says money.
Yeah, it says $34 on it. I'm holding F on
Okay,
it, but
that
it's
is
not
too
doing
high.
anything. All right, I'll give you a second to work on your sense.
All right, yeah, I'm just gonna have to leave it there. Okay, so we got a. So this is the line. No. Yeah, oh, whoa. Defeat an elite enemy monster.
Oh shit, bro! I'm getting smacked by something.
Oh, I can sprint, dude. Look. Whee!
Yeah, I know that. Shoot the thing.
Oh, combat dodge. Oh!
We killed it. We got it.
Oh, there's a big guy. Behind. Oh, there's
Go.
no directional. Oh, our combat
You
dodge.
can ping with middle mouse. Middle mouse is ping.
Oh, yeah. Oh, money. Oh, I think, wait, equipped. Oh, you have to buy it. I was gonna take
Milky
that.
something. Oh, well, I got it.
Wait,
Sorry.
R does something? Okay, this is weird. I don't.
R is to use.
I kind of want to
the-
just put it
Yeah,
on
just
Smite
pick up.
layout, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
You can do that. You can do whatever you want. Pray to Shrine of Combat, dude.
I have no idea what's going on.
Oh,
Ah!
that might have been a
Left one,
mistake.
left one. Roll out. Oh, you can air dodge in midair. Oh, dude.
I have wings. I don't know why I have wings. I think it's the butterfly thingy.
Yeah, it's
I have
butterfly
wings.
thing. Oh.
Okay, there doesn't seem to be a headshot modifier. Maybe there is. Maybe I'm dumb, but doesn't seem to be one.
Well, I stun. You can stun him. This big guy? Little guy? That guy's on fire?
Yeah, shoot him. Oh no, I'm getting bullied.
There's more? Oh! Why are we here?
Ah! Oh my god. I got shot off the map. I guess I'm still alive.
Yo, I left? I left.
I see that. I have also left. We can just shoot at him from the air?
Yeah, dude, we could cheese this.
Oh!
Oh!
Okay, 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 that's not good. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Wait,
at
wait,
all.
wait, 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 wait. They're fine. They're low. They're low. They're low. They're low. Oh! Oh, there's more. More behind, 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 behind.
Okay, 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 okay.
What did you
Okay.
pray to? Why did you pray to
Maybe
that?
should
Don't
not
pray to
pray
things
the-
that you don't know.
Listen, lesson learned.
Is there fall
Don't pray
damage?
to
There
things.
should be fall damage, right? There's fall damage! Roll before you land. Roll before you land. I mean, I know you can fly, but...
Yeah, I'm flying right now, so.
Alright, I want to buy this. Oh, what is hitting
Oh,
me?
there's stuff spawning on the ground. There's stuff spawning on the ground. I don't know what's hitting you.
I'm 38 HP. 38 HP. I have a stun. I have a chance to stun.
There's still stuff over here, so.
Is this world just gonna... Do we get a break? Is there
I
no
don't know.
breaks?
I don't know. There might be no breaks.
I'm at
Okay.
65 HP.
You
Well,
still have
okay,
no health.
let's leave. Let's
okay,
leave. Let's
think
leave. Let's
so.
go.
Okay,
Let's...
okay.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I love it's toggled to sprint, not...
Oh boy.
That's fine. These guys are weak. These guys are weak.
Oh, that guy's not.
No, he's not.
Don't forget your right clicks.
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah.
guy's not weak.
Oh, is that health? What is that? Will-O-Wisp. Detonate enemies on kills. Alright, I'm not killing much.
I think you also healed when you bought that. Oh,
Did I?
there's a big guy. Like
Big
a
guy?
really
Oh,
big guy.
okay, okay.
I found him, I found him, I found him.
Yeah.
Okay, big guy dead.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Little
Oh,
guy.
go. Jump head, jump head, jump head.
Yep.
Whew. Energy drink?
I guess I sprint faster now. I don't know how to do that, but
I mean, you know how to sprint, right? I think
do.
it's just the
Do I
default.
oh, okay.
Yeah, you run faster.
Well, we got money now. We can buy shit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, that's med. Drop healing orbs on kill. Oh, healing orbs on kill. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. Look, look. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll focus on. Can I not double
There's
jump?
a couple
I
more
can't.
guys over here.
Dude, wait, take a
Alright.
second just to listen to the music, dude.
Yeah, it's
Look at
popping. It's popping off, dude. I love it.
Okay, finally, so I can heal. This is good. Let's go buy more
Oh
stuff.
boy, big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy.
Okay, okay.
I stunned him.
Yeah. You shoot him?
The right click does a lot of damage, by the way.
Oh yeah, are you using the R too?
Yeah, yeah.
Rapid fire?
Well, my R is like a passive thing that's on like a minute cooldown because it's like the flight. I don't know what your R
Oh,
is.
my R's here. Look, my R, the wall. It's just like a multi-shot.
Oh, that's my Q.
Oh, that's your Q.
My stun. Yeah, my stun is my Q.
Oh, I don't have that yet. Oh, that's what the. Okay. Yeah.
Topaz.
Is there a
Brute.
big
Gain
guy?
Temporary barrier on kill. Yeah, right over here. Oh boy, there's some small guys spawning up here.
All right, let's do the load. Come on. All right, I want to take in the screen real quick. So we got top left, we got money, we got your health, objective,
Yeah.
find and activate the
I
teleporter.
also
I
see
believe.
like what passive items I have. I think.
Yeah.
Like in the middle of my
The middle.
screen?
That's what you unlocked. So there's the difficulty, how long we've been in it, what stage we're on, and I think the
Big
activate
there.
teleporter is the next level. Oh, how do you ping the attacks on? Oh, is it you just ping it?
I just ping it. Yeah.
All right, there's behind us, big guy.
Oh, big guy. Stun. Oh, I don't have stun. Don't have stun. No stun.
Ooh. Careful when they're close to you.
Ow. What the fuck?
There's a big note over here.
All right. I think the objective is we're trying to find like teleporters that will get us to the next stage, basically.
Yeah. Oh, I got a gunner.
Okay.
We got a little droney boy.
So open terminal. Yeah, sure. Open it. I don't know what that is. You joined
Oh,
it for me.
I
Rude.
took it. Gaining a recharging shield. I'm the tank, dude.
Okay. I mean, I have a shield too,
Oh.
but it's not a recharging shield.
Oh, you can like
Stunning.
click everything at once, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got a little drone
Oh.
too.
Little drone, dude.
Let me get up top.
This guy's up here.
I can't fly like you, but
Oh,
Alright.
we got drones. Oh, fire
Fire
guy.
guy. Fire guy. Fire guy.
Oh, blue guy.
In the sky? Oh, those are drones.
Fire guy is still somewhere. Yo, our drones, they're crazy.
They are, dude. They're getting us gold.
And they're pulling aggro as well, I think.
And they're not getting hit, really.
Ah! Oh, they didn't pull aggro from that.
Let's take a look. I don't like how the sprint speed, like, moves your camera really low.
We both had the same idea. We're like, fuck this guy. Oh, big guy just spawned on top of me. Nice. You got
Alright, there's stuff down here I want to get. I want to see, can I cancel? Okay, I can. Oh, I got another turret? Dude, we're having pets.
Alright.
Is there a option for sprint sensitivity reduction? Okay, yeah, I want that off. You can turn that sprint sensitivity reduction off. I think that feels nicer. I can't sprint and shoot though.
Oh no, I just jumped into the pit. Oh, I didn't.
Oh, there's a pit of death.
I don't think it doesn't insta kill you because I've fallen down and it didn't kill me.
Wanna buy that? What do you got?
That is
Soldier syringe.
Decreases attack speed. Okay.
Alright. That's health. Oh, another drone.
Health drone. Cool.
We shot at the same time.
Oh, what's this? Is that another thing to pray to? I don't know that I want to pray to that again.
That was a lot of waves too.
Yeah. Red whip. Move fast out of combat. Oh, okay.
Alright, movement boy.
Listen, you're the tank. I'm the assassin.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Bro, am I attack speed buff?
Yeah, pray the Shrine Mountain.
Yeah.
Doing it!
Okay.
There's gonna be a mountain of... You have invited the challenge of the mountain? I guess we climb the mountain? There's another thing over there. That's another...
Challenge of the mountain. Well, let's go over here.
Wanna go to the mountain? Like all the way up?
I don't know where... Yeah, like we go up there through here, I guess. Right?
Oh, wait, no. Turn around.
Oh, there. Okay. Signing the smoke guy.
Yep.
Okay.
How much damage are you doing? Because I'm doing like 22 at the end. For left leg.
I'm at like,
it starts at like 15.
on my left leg. Yeah. Yeah, and then it like ramps up.
You gonna spawn again?
More guys spawning. What is that thing you pinged? Is that the teleporter we're looking for?
I got Monster Ledger. Oh, let's go check it out. I think that's another altar though.
I don't think it is.
What? Really? They'd put the... Oh, it looks like the teleporter icon.
Yeah, it's teleporter.
Okay, don't hit it.
I activated it.
Whoa.
What was it?
It's a boss.
Oh,
Oh,
the
no! Go up the mountain, go up the mountain, go up the mountain.
I think we have to stay inside the circle.
Maybe it's
Maybe not.
death. Yeah, no, I'm not staying inside the circle. You can stay inside the circle. Oh, yeah, if you... Yeah, oh, okay. This is not fair.
Ow,
Yeah, you're finally getting hit, aren't you? It hurts!
Pain. Much pain. Ow. Things exploding on me. No like. No like at all.
Yeah, I don't think we're ready for the boss. Enter the teleporter. 8%? No, I ain't gonna...
Okay, so we just have to stay alive for long enough.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, we have to be in the teleporter zone in order for that to
To
start.
progress?
Yeah.
Does that mean we're gonna get all these bosses now? Spawning?
I don't know.
I can't buy items. They're locked.
Okay. Yeah, so that may have been the biggest mistake of my life.
Well, let's go up the mountain. Let's just keep going up. Keep going up.
I am hurt. I'm hurt.
Big orbs. Open the barrel. Actually, I did open something. Oh, I can't get up there.
Alright. I have a guy. I'm healing.
I literally can't get up there.
I'm shooting this guy right now.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna die.
You're fine. You're perfect.
No, I can't get up there though.
Also, they're like aggroed on me, not on you.
Woo! I just want to live.
What is that? What is that?
I don't
What is
know.
that? Ow! I got looped off, and I have near negative HP. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I'm very hurt. I'm dead.
You're the worst.
I'm sorry. I
What
didn't
does
know
it
there
do?
was not a boss. What is that?
Well, they're
Okay,
bosses.
that big massive AoE thing is it's like a knockback and it does damage. So.
I mean, I'm gonna cheese this eventually.
Oh yeah, like easily, honestly. I think it's gonna be cheese so easily, and I think that the mobs around are also fighting the boss, like aggroed onto it.
Yeah,
So
my
it's fun.
turrets. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I only do
it's
12
just big damage.
Combat.
No, nothing else is out of this,
Oh
but intense combat. Yeah, we probably should have maybe explored a little bit more before.
no. Well,
we
it's kind of
got
hard
here.
to when it doesn't give
My
you like
bad.
a break.
Yeah.
I need those healing orbs.
I don't know. Still, did activate the boss. My bad.
It's fine.
Look at that. It's already under half HP, dude. Doing fine.
Doing
Easily
fine.
cheating it. I honestly only died because it kicked me off the map.
It really kicked off the map. That sucks.
Yeah. I think I would have been perfectly fine if it hadn't, but there was a big OE. I didn't know what it
So
did.
what are you spectating exactly? Are you spectating just me?
Yeah, just you.
Okay.
I'm just in your third-person view.
Oh, look at that! Look at his damage. It's going way down.
Have you like fully killed one yet, or
I think we did. Yeah.
well, then maybe that's why?
Wait. Look at. Do you see those damage numbers? What's going on
Yeah,
with
those
that?
are your turrets, bro.
What turrets?
Probably.
Where's your corpse?
Yeah, look. It's on the hill, not like way at tippy top. If you go towards that mountain that I was on,
Yeah.
you might be able to see me.
All right.
You're not going there.
No, I'm gonna try to get to the circle and get points on it.
Okay, I gotcha. Should probably
Oh yeah, they
shoot
killed the
them
jelly.
off
They killed their
a
own
little
jelly.
bit. Yeah, I think that's the last one.
Yeah. It's got 7,000 HP. This would not be doable
Look at
without my
all those
robots.
goggles. I think it would be doable, but it would be significantly harder for sure.
Oh no.
You can shoot those orbs and break them.
Oh, cool.
Not those ones.
Not those. Good to know.
Yeah, you have a lot more relics than I do.
Oh,
That's what I'm gonna call those passive things.
relic. Yeah.
I only had like 3.
It says it has so much health, but
I mean, it's got
it's
2,000.
about to die.
That hurts. That hurts.
hurts?
And you're inside of it. Oh. It didn't hurt.
Alright, it's dead.
My body's up there by that little round thing.
Where?
By the circular thingy on the left.
That thing?
There. Yeah. Yeah, it's more to the right of it. I don't know if you can
I
revive
just
me,
want to
though.
see.
I don't even know if my body will still be there. Are you okay?
Yeah, why?
Because you're, like, running into a wall on my screen?
No, I'm running. Am I?
Yes. Okay, now you're fine. Okay, that was weird.
I took damage, but I wasn't by anybody. That was kind of weird. Alright, I guess I
think
should end
maybe
this.
like that for a second.
It keeps saying on Steam that you're now playing the game.
Oh. Maybe it's me.
Oh, what?
I don't know what that is. Nah, I don't like it. So many bots, dude. Holy shit.
I got 4 of these radioactive things. I don't know what they do.
Razor wire.
Yeah.
Oh, it's. I don't think it's that you have 4 of them. I think it's that it's stacked 4 times. Every time you take damage, it like gives more barbed wire. So I think you do damage with random stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Proceed through teleporter is the next task.
Are you're still dead though?
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna respawn me.
Do you want to look up how you get back to life?
I don't know. I mean, it might respawn me when you teleport.
Proceed through the teleporter. I mean, is this the teleporter? There's no prompt to go through it.
So?
Okay. Complete advancement complete.
Oh, you're frozen.
We're
Yeah.
now in hard mode. Oh wait.
Okay, yeah, my body teleported too.
Okay,
so
I
I'm back
teleported.
in. Yeah, yeah. I'm
Okay,
back in.
so let's not do that until we're ready.
Yeah. Oh, your bots came. I think.
Sick. I can't.
Yeah. I kept all
Oh,
my
you
stuff.
can't hold tab and then read what you have.
I kept literally everything except probably money. Oh, stuff
Yeah.
costs a lot more now.
I got 60 gold. What level are you? I'm level 11.
I'm also level 11.
Oh. Why does it keep saying you're playing the game?
These guys have a lot more HP than they did before.
This is hard mode. There's a shrine
Yeah.
over here. 90.
I have 98.
Well, there's
All
something
right.
sucking me. Oh wait, or maybe it's stealing me. I don't really know.
Hold on, I'm going up way high on the high ground, bro. They are not ready for this.
Enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked for dead, taking bonus damage. Nice.
What is that thing?
I mean, you're flying, so I have no idea like what you're doing.
I'm not flying, I'm just in the air. Oh, did you activate this thing?
Yeah.
Oh. No, you
Bought
didn't.
it.
Oh, the price just went up.
Oh.
Now it just says 125. Fuck it.
Oh, maybe it just gives you stuff.
Oh, we get something.
Get
Yeah.
LP shard.
I have
Oh, you swapped
something instead of.
Oh,
Yeah.
we both-
Did you?
Yeah, I took that. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I don't need to be able to fly. Sorry.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah. You press R and then you hold space and you fly. You can only fly for a certain amount of time, and you will take fall damage if you hit the ground. So.
Okay, I'm never gonna use this. I don't like it. Alright, let's go over there with those 3 bangers.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, we're going over here.
Yep. What is this?
All right.
Terminal.
I don't know.
Stuff.
Yeah, stuff to buy.
Open barrel.
Um,
There's some gold in there. 50%
offer
HP.
to shrine.
Oh,
it costs
half of your
50%
HP? Here, I'll do it. I'll
that's
do
gonna
it.
be a big. Okay, you do it. Kill them as many mobs as you can though, so that you get your health back.
Yeah, that's Oh, I need help. I need help.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me get this
Yeah.
health.
Pick up the orbs, yeah. Pick up the orbs. You got 'em.
Oh, I got my one drone heals me. That's cool.
Alright, now offers 75% of HP. Okay.
All right. Well,
That's
I'm
it, bro.
healing, so let's wait. And then try
Yeah,
again.
no,
What?
I did mine.
Oh, you healed? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have. So little health, currently. We're on very hard now.
Yep. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy.
Big boy, stunned. Another big guy, different big guy.
Stun him. There's behind us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot.
Alright, razor blades out.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm back to full HP now, so.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt. That hurt. Sacrifice 99% of your HP, right?
This is 93.
Oh, that hurts. Whatever that move is.
Alright. We can do this again if you want.
Yeah.
It's a lot of HP.
How much is it? 93. All right.
Yeah.
Let me kill the big guys. Let's see if we can get some like orbs on the ground.
Yeah.
They'll respawn in a second. You're still playing the game, dude. What have thought? Does it keep popping up for you?
No, I don't have any issues. The heck was that? Try and let some of these guys come a little closer.
Oh, I bet those guys probably are the things that exploded on me. All right, we're gonna do it.
Oh, I really want to kill these things, but I don't want. Are you fine?
Yeah,
Need
yeah.
help?
I mean, I'm getting help, but
I'm
still-
really trying not to kill, but like still do damage, you know, so that
Yeah.
you can get your orbs dropped. But
hard to hit this. My action's
Yeah.
the greatest. It sucks I gotta like run to the orbs. I don't know if that gave me anything.
I don't either. But
Big guy.
I don't know what this does, but I'm buying it. Primordial cube. Well,
You want it?
it says fires a black hole that draws enemies in, so heck it, dude. It doesn't draw the big guys in. Useless. Still more useful than the flight, though.
Can you still see my health orbs on the ground?
Yeah, I can still hear how it works.
Alright. How much does that cost? I got 2k gold now. Really shine. Nothing happened. Okay.
Okay. Alright, I think I bought all I can from that.
Alright, big guy. I guess let's keep moving. Let's go up here, up these runes.
Yeah. Keep going, keep buying stuff. Alright, you already had one of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that one.
Yeah.
Ooh, what was that? Monster log beetle. Okay.
I got a log, I don't know what. Can't hover over
I don't
it.
think they can do anything, it's just like lore bits, probably. Alright, I'm
We're
gonna buy
risking
this
the
thing.
rain. You got a cello,
I got a
dude.
ukulele, dude.
Ukulele.
Oh, there's
Let's
a
play music.
blood offering thing over here.
Definitely got to do blood offering, dude.
I got glasses, dude. I don't know what the point of these are.
Oh no.
I'm doing what I can.
I know. I fell down. I didn't realize it's not like 75 of your total, or
It's not 75% of your total, it's 75%
Yeah.
of your max.
no, it's current. Yeah. So like if you have,
Oh, well then that's not bad. Oh.
but like like once I had 75, it instantly dropped me down to. I can't get back.
Oh shoot, I used the wrong. I accidentally used my
Use the
ability.
board.
It's on like a 60
Is
second
there
cooldown, dude.
is there a chat? Oh, that one. I just got gold. All right. Well, I want to heal up and then use it again.
I think you should do it while you're lower.
No.
right?
So I can't use it until I have like the threshold.
Until you have.
So once I
see.
get 93 HP or 94, I can use it.
I see.
Yeah.
So it takes from your maximum, not from your current.
Your maximum, not your current, correct. Which I thought it was from your current. I was like, oh, that's no problem. I'll use it. Use the 50s and the 75. Oh, shoot, my own turns.
Alright, you're full. Go do it.
Oh.
Smack that boy.
I can go more gold.
Or, oh, you missed it. Rip.
Oh, the drones are healing each other, not me. Rude. There we go.
Not
There's
really.
a good heal.
Alright.
Alright, let's go find some more stuff.
Okay.
Oh, that's a health thing. I want to buy it. Oh, a health drone. Sick! Dude, I'm healing, dude. Topaz. Gain a temporary barrier on kill. I am a tank, dude. Can we trade? That would be cool.
I don't know.
No,
that
probably
we
not.
can.
But that'd be a cool mechanic. Big turret guy? Or big guy? Stay alive for 30 consecutive minutes. That's an easy try. Are you level 14 as well?
Oh, big guy behind us, big guy behind us. Yeah, I'm level 14 as well.
Must be tied to each other then.
What's this? Why are they connected to each other? I don't know what that means, but it doesn't seem like a good thing. Oh my god, why are there so many mini jellyfish, dude?
Yeah, dude.
God.
Let's go check out this cave, dude. Okay, so that just goes forward and back up.
Okay, another little cave here. Are you causing the bleed effect? Is that you?
Probably, yeah. Let's see.
What is this?
Detonate, heal orb, recharge shield. Yeah. Trip tip dagger. Causes enemies to bleed. That will freeze you.
Big boy. Stunning.
Oh, there's water, dude.
Oh man, there are
I'm
so
in this
many of
pond,
these
dude.
things. Come to the pond, bro.
There's something down here, but can't interact with it. Can you try?
There's nothing. Oh, this thing?
Yeah, this thing. Here, just a little head.
I
You don't see
don't
this?
have anything down here. No?
That's weird. That's weird. Alright, nothing in this cave. Worthless.
We keep going. We continue. More exploration.
More.
Buy all of the things.
You're so fast.
I have 3,000 gold. Yeah, dude, I got
I have 4,000
so
gold.
much speed. Well, I bought more things than you. Okay.
That's true. You're buying everything.
Monster
You're a
food,
goblin.
okay.
You're lit.
I
This
have
is
that
Luke
now.
Goblin the game.
Okay, I think this dagger is. Yeah.
Oh, that was the
now
bleed
I have
one.
the bleed effect too.
Well. So do you
Luke
think
Goblin
these
the
are?
video
Do you
game.
think these are like procedurally generated, or is this always the same map?
It's probably procedural, but I don't know.
Yo,
Alright, I'm
fire
buying
guy's
so many
hurt.
things. I'm so fast. Buy all of the things.
Literally, I have nothing.
How many things do you have?
I mean, you have
Oh,
way
boy.
more stuff than I do. You got 3 more extra things than I do.
How do you even know that?
Hold tab.
Oh. You're right.
You came online. You're playing Risk of Rain.
I'm sorry, dude.
And you took my health.
What do you mean? You have full HP!
Oh, oh, it says. Oh, that's weird. Cause I have a shield, it counts it. So it says I have more than my max, which looks weird. Oh, I need help. Or,
Oh.
yeah. Backing up. We got. Anti-armor shield on kill.
Alright. Oh, okay, no, we've been here before. Oh boy.
Ooh, that hurt. Little barrel. Gold.
Kinda wanna, like, climb up some stuff and go higher, you know?
Yeah. That's the bug.
Ow! Okay,
You wanna take the bug?
need to not smack you, bro. No, I don't wanna fly up there. I wanna, like, go up there this way. Come. Fly away.
You're faster than me.
I know, I'm waiting. Okay, so they kind of just seem to respawn indefinitely,
Yeah.
which is fine, of course.
So that's the game.
Ow. Damn it. Okay, I think we can go this way. I don't think we've been over here.
No, we have not. Looks like new. Slow enemies on
Man, there's a lot of guys behind us. Okay, there's something over there, but we don't actually have to go from up here to get over there. Ow.
I forgot fall damage is the thing.
Yeah.
This game doesn't feel.
It's not
Doesn't
really.
seem like it should have fall damage.
Yeah, I agree. Kinda feels arbitrary.
There's probably fall damage reduction stuff though.
Hmm.
How do we get up?
Well, for now, a little cornered.
Luckily the fire guys are pretty easy.
Meow.
I like the chainsaw thing.
Yeah, the chainsaw seems super cool. Anything else to
Maybe
purchase?
underneath.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah, there's tons of stuff here.
Oh, I got another healing orb on enemy drop. That's nice. I like that they give you the combat role class first.
Yeah. Makes it very helpful. I'm just gonna run around for a bit and try and find more stuff to loot.
Okay. Try to find the portal too.
Yeah, I have no idea where that is.
Oh, so those try things, you get one of them. You don't actually get all of them. So you gotta like kind of know what you want. The little pillars.
Yeah. I knew that already. I figured that out. Like, you don't really know what's in them, though. Or, well, we don't.
Oh, yeah.
Some of the things we know, but for the most part, we're gonna be like, well, I have no idea what that is. Alright, teleporter, where are you? So fast, dude. Another little healy bot.
Oh, I see some stuff. Go to the where we did the second blood sacrifice. Come to me. See that to the right? Like, look at me, and then look to the left. Over there.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
I think we gotta crawl up
How do we
here.
get up there, though?
I think we crawl up it this way.
Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna take damage from this. I'm a very smart boy. Hold on. I just up the loot over here. We already looted it. Okay.
Maybe we have to fly up there. Actually, this one spot is the only we can only get to it by flying. I feel like. What do you think that is?
Huh.
Oh, that hurt.
I feel like it'd be weird if they were like, oh, you have to. Oh, teleporter's here.
Oh, okay. Don't hit it yet. I wanna make sure we got everything.
Oh boy. I stopped for 2 seconds and 5 of these guys spawned. Oh my goodness, damage.
Oh, there's more coming to you.
I see that. They really don't want me to touch the teleporter. I'm gonna chill out under here. They won't hit me. That won't happen. Oh, they actually can't hit me, it seems like. Oh boy.
Shooting the guy up top.
Yeah. He is way
you
up
think
there,
we
though.
explored everything here?
I think so. I kind of ran around, and I don't think we can explore any further than what we have.
Alright,
so.
let's kill these big purple guys and then we'll end the thing. This is gonna hurt.
Oh boy. Oh
Got,
my
like,
god, are more of them spawning?
Yeah, more was
Yes. Ah.
You didn't hit the portal, did you?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's head back. Like to the right.
I am very hurt. Okay, big boy.
Still little ads behind us. Oh, he's lasering me.
Oh man.
Oh,
Oh my god. Something on the ground just knocked me up. I don't like that.
Oh, there's a bunch of ads
Oh,
behind
okay.
him.
So he's got like a thing
got
that
a-
he can spawn on us.
Yeah.
It's really.
But, like, you ran away from the last guy.
You can't do that this time. Yeah. Okay. But it spawns behind you. So as long as you're like strafing left or right, it shouldn't get you. Yeah, it takes a second to charge up.
What is that thing on blue thing on the ground? See that?
Okay, but there's 2 of them. I don't see it.
What is this? Lunar coin.
Oh boy. Man, that thing has a lot of HP.
Oh, let's flank. Let's keep moving. Let's like try to get somewhere where we can actually hit it.
Yikes. My HP.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, it
I don't
has
know
a
where you are. Okay, there you
death
are.
beam.
Has a what?
It has a death beam.
Yes, it does.
Oh no, no. I'm a rock. Golem up here with us. Alright. I'm gonna have to stay in the center, I guess. I guess I'll just complete it, right? Like, we shouldn't really need to beat this guy.
Yeah, that's true. We don't have to. Kind of want to though.
Alright, well, I'll get it a high percent. If I can.
Oh, ow. Laser beam.
Careful.
I'm alright. I'm cool. I'm okay. Ow, bro.
Just standing on the thing.
Is that all you're doing? Is
Yeah.
nothing attacking you?
No, it's not attacking me. I mean, little jellies are spawning on me every now and then, but I'm pretty much good. My Healy drones are keeping me busy. Oh, he's out of sight of me now. I can't hit him. Oh, yeah, there's one guy left. Oh, the other guy's chasing me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not good. %.
Alright, I have a lot less guys spawning on me now, so you might be
For a retreat.
suffering here soon. What's that thing?
Oh, for your your Q, don't cancel it with the right click because it'll actually stop the DPS.
Ooh boy. Oh boy. Okay, never mind. That wasn't the problem.
He lasers me. I think I'm dead.
Okay. Jellyfish boy. Alright, I'm frozen. This is not good. Alright, mine's almost dead.
Yeah, mine was dead too.
Oh no, he did. He's death braying me.
The death ray's the worst.
I have nowhere to go either. I couldn't
My guy's
dodge
almost
it.
dead. Oh, the death ray really hurts. My guy's almost dead. Yep, my guy's dead.
Oh no 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 no. Get me safe. Okay, I'm safe. I'm alive. Oh boy. I really need Healy drones to heal. Oh my guy's dead. Oh, they're dead. Yay. Alright, I'm coming back to
So
you.
we had both kill both the people and then go through the portal. So it was Alright.
Alright, well, I guess we can just continue on, right?
Receiving damage while sprinting. Oh, here, take one of these. There, you sprint really fast, so. Alright, I think we're
Good to go? Seems like
Yeah.
it. Where you go?
what is that?
XP.
That's cool.
All right, we
Scorched
are
arches. We're at. I'm
unlike
coming for you.
the highest. We're above maximum diff difficulty at this point.
Wait, did we progress? Well, we were at hard, weren't we?
Yeah,
That
we
last-
started on
Medium.
but it continues getting harder.
Oh,
Like
as you
the longer
play.
you, yeah, the
Are
longer
in
you
it?
play, yeah, the longer it lasts. Okay, what do we have? We have whatever that is, some glasses, and something random. Let's go for something random, yeah?
That guy's a minigun.
Oh, I
And
don't
I
have
do
money.
no damage to him.
I stunned him out of whatever he was doing.
Here's my Q.
Dead? Oh, there's another one.
Yeah.
Now I stunned. Stunned him. Alright, dead. Alright, random. Oh. I don't know what that is. Some kind of fungus.
Heal all nearby allies standing still for 2 seconds. Yep, you're healing me, dude. Look at that little orb. Help.
Nice.
We're never gonna do that.
You actually should probably have that, yeah.
Yeah. I think there should be a trading mechanic.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then for this one, let's just run through everything. Let's try to buy stuff. Oh, we only have 800 gold.
Yeah, we have to kill stuff to get gold. So just try and farm up some gold and some trash. Ignore that.
He's got a minigun.
And he is messing you up. And I don't have my son. Okay, stunned him, stunned him. You can LOS his minigun.
Okay. Sonic.
Alright, there's a lot of new enemies now.
Yeah.
Alright. Buying this. Oh, there's some kind of drone here. 1400. Can you buy this?
Oh, I bought something. Got stunned.
Yeah. Alright, I got dead.
Buy that? Yeah, I can buy it. Doesn't say what it was.
I think it's just a better damage drone, probably.
It's an incinerator drone, yeah.
Yeah. Ow.
Let's keep going, make a left. Oh, wow, it's worked.
Yeah, that's actually a really strong ability.
I needed the gravity, yeah.
What is this? Some kind of banner, another kind of banner, and a stake. I'm gonna get steak, bro.
There's blood sacrifices here,
Okay,
but
regenerate
like,
health after getting an enemy. Okay. You don't want to do them yet?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, the longer we wait, the harder they get, right? So,
Alright, well, stand still and I'll activate it.
I regenerate health just by killing stuff now.
So do I. Here, I'll do the first one.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Sure. I'll just
I can
immediately go
help
into the
with
second one.
Yeah. Critically low.
Sorry, we got Healy bots. Might as well hit it the third time, yeah?
Give me health orb. Yes. Alright, what did all that do?
I don't know.
You gain 8 gold.
I think
gold,
it's just
gold.
XP.
It's just gold.
XP and gold?
Yeah. That's
I think
all
we
I
just
got.
get gold for killing stuff, though.
No, but it says you feel certain pain. You gain
we just get gold from getting
it. Yeah.
Okay, so, you
So that's an
sacrifice
early
health.
way to get gold, basically.
Yeah. Alright, ready for this?
Yeah, black gold.
Ow.
If I had my Q, that would have been
Ow.
way better. Oh, I'm getting hurt,
Ow,
dude.
holy shit.
Those AoE abilities. He's here?
I'm very hurt. Ow, bro, why did that knock me towards it? Fuck off.
I'm at 160 HP. Stand still, stand still.
Ow, I got hit by something through the wall. Super cool.
Oh, we're healing, we're healing, we're healing. Big heals. Big heals.
They're trying to shoot us through
That's
floor.
fine. They can do that. I got 17 on my queue. What do you got?
I have my two. Or my
Your ult.
R,
Your
you
ult.
mean?
I think
have
you should switch that to
10.
your ult because that's kind of your ult ability, right?
It is, but it's just easier to reach for Q to use my stun than to reach for R to use my stun because E is on my dodge, you know?
All right. Are you ready? We're gonna combo.
Yeah. Oh my god, there. What is that big fucking thing? Let's kill this thing.
Keep
Alright, I'm
spawning.
gonna throw it right here.
Yeah.
Behind you. Found it.
Summon it. Line attack. Oh, this hurts.
So
this hurts,
many,
this
dude.
hurts.
Jesus Christmas. Alright, I'm standing still.
I'm getting
standing
frozen.
still. You gotta come to me. Oh,
Yeah,
no, I did.
No. You gotta just kill
Alright.
stuff.
What is
There's
that
a big thing.
I don't like it at all.
I'm gonna die.
The factory. Kill the factory. I have
Can you
20
get
seconds?
to me? Yeah. Can you? I got my Q5.
My game froze for a second? Okay.
Oh,
we're back, we're back.
look out.
Ah! I have 20 health. I have 20 HP. I have 20 HP. I can stand. Oh, no, behind it, behind it.
I'm stunning.
Kill. Don't hurt me. It hurt me. I'm dead.
Fantastic.
Yikes.
So this
The
that's
difficulty
this
just
is
says.
so this is the stage. That's the stage is the big thing.
I think so, yeah.
Can I cheese it? Can I get up here? We're on ha 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 difficulty.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at the difficulty. The difficulty just is laughing at us. Well,
Oh.
rip you. Jesus.
It did
Yeah, that
infinite damage, dude. Nice.
It does a lot
It
of
did
damage.
a lot of damage. Sucks to suck, dead pixel. Your body was gone an hour later. Alright.
His body was gone an hour later.
So, how many kills did you have? I had 411.
I had 391.
How much damage did you deal?
343,000.
352,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think that's mostly that. I mean, I was dead for the majority of the first boss fight too.
Oh, I can see what everybody had. Yeah, you had more unique items, but I had more.
You had a bunch of like
similar
leveled up
items.
stuff. Yeah. I mean, I had like 4 times energy drink. I was so fast.
Sucks. It just sucked. That's funny.
Yeah. All right.
The bit.
Well.
We get any artifacts?
We didn't. Doesn't look like you've not unlocked any artifacts yet. I feel like we played for a long time to not have unlocked any artifacts. And to not, we didn't unlock.
We didn't unlock any.
Land the killing. Okay, so these are like achievement-based things.
Yeah.
I see. Fully towards the first stage teleport before the
That one
tournament's
we can
final.
do.
Yeah, easily. Clear 20 stages in a single run without picking up any lunar items. I don't know
I
what that
picked up
means.
one item. It was a lunar key, or a lunar chip,
I
and I
see.
picked it up. It was. I didn't know what it did.
Well, regardless, clearing 20 stages is a difficult task.
Yeah. We
We
didn't kill the
can
Overlord
complete the
worm, I
third
guess.
teleport.
I don't know what that. Well, he was.
I guess. The overloading worm. And overloading worm. So that must be just like a. I don't know what that is. I don't know.
All right. Well, I'm gonna relog because it keeps saying you're online, offline, and that's
Okay.
annoying.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair.